guys, I have a big surprise for you. I got this Imagine Sharper Imagine drone. Unboxing.
Here.
Okay, stay here. Unboxing.
Yeah.
Hi everyone. Do I do this? What? Whoever made this or did this? And
I think you have to wait for Dad to open that.
Mom, I'm 7 years old. 14. So 7 more years I can play this, but I remember a shop lady told me that those numbers don't matter. So I don't care if it's for 7 years old.
The sales lady. Okay.
That was easy.
Look. Okay, go. Ooh, you're getting better. Oh, all right. Go.
Go.
Wow! That was... Wait, boy!
Dad, look!
Slow. Slow, look in the sky. Go. Slow.
Maybe something happened. Wait.
What? Okay, go ahead. All right. That's
Dad,
it.
your turn again.
Yeah. Wow, you bring it up in the air. Wow, oh, make sure it won't go. Bring it over this way.
Is it more than 1 minute?
Wow, yeah, it's more than a minute already. Bring it down, that's too high. Oh, all right, let's go.
Can I do